there's
Oh,
two of them.
Two of them. Oh, yeah, look how big they are. I've seen those before. They haven't been that big. You know?
Oh yeah, I think there's a third one too.
I heard the knocking.
You're gonna go. Ee.
They went after the little birdies. Not very nice birds. How much is that little feed that you're talking about?
Oh, there's another one. Look at it's a baby one.
Where?
Right down here. It's a baby. Looking for its mama.
Where? On the right hand side?
No, it's on running along our little deck. Is that ever cute?
Oh.
Looking for mama.
Mama's over here.
No, is there a third one?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh yeah, it's eating at the suet.
Are they mother and father? I mean, are they male or female?
I don't know. I don't know which is. Oh, look at this little guy. You see him?
Yeah.
Oh, there it is.
Oh.
And Mama's eating away up there. Oh, a little way. Oh no, he's over there. Wow.
Oh,
Here it comes. Wow. They are hungry.